stopped the video by accident. Stopped the video by accident, and I'm so tired. I am.
It's kind of a silver color.
So what we're basically doing is
More like silver.
we're turning around. I don't know. Our car's around there somewhere, but yeah.
Right, y'all. To the right, y'all.
Warning, ladies and gentlemen, please wait for those air brakes to pop and set before exiting the trail.
Okay, we're gonna get off.
Alright, guys.
Now we get off. Oh my god.
Yep, we're ready now.
Okay, let's get off.
Careful, Connor.
I don't feel like actually like giving to them, okay? I don't want that. Name it. Where are my parents? There they are.
Come on, Connor. Stay with us.
Oh my gosh. Okay. But yeah, I like the Thunderbirds more because I don't know. I'm tired. Okay. I like the Thunderbirds more because they just did a more show, and I mean like they're more good color. I mean, I'm not don't judge me, but like don't like get mad at me. But I like the Blue Angels also, but I like the Thunderbirds more. They look pretty cool. So yeah. Since we're almost at the car, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me guys today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do a topic probably tomorrow. And hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.